Alright, so we bought some sleeve material.
Yes.
And the axle fits pretty tightly in there. We just have some scotch tape wrapped around it to eliminate some of the play. It's pretty, yeah. Show him, Trevor. Yeah, a little bit of play. So we eliminate as much as possible. And now we got it all propped up. And we're gonna Zeus it all together. Then once it's tacked in a couple spots.
Make sure it's not all wobbly.
Yeah, and then the nice thing is that when it's time to actually fully weld it, I can just have Trevor just turn the diff and I can just put a bead on it. So anyway, Trevor's gonna film while I put some tacks in it.
Don't catch the lid on fire. Alright. Fire. Go.
I don't think it'll snap it.
Well, you gotta still full weld it, but
Yeah, I mean, even for Frank, so I don't think it'll let go of the cable.
there we go.
Let me do. Here.
Fire. Oh, back up. Plug back up. There we go.
But anyway, got the suspension rigged up. Subframe's almost completely mounted in. Got holes drilled, everything's square. 13 mil from the center of the hub. Oh, wrong hub. Center of the hub to the wheel well on both sides. We're gonna put a plate there, just like we did on that side. Beautiful welds by Alex. But yeah, we're getting pretty close to this thing being done. So right now Maz and I are gonna weld up the shock mounts and brace it and all that, and then throw it back in. Bring it back around. Bring your blanket. That's enough layers.
Another one.
We the best music! I fucking hate that guy.
Who doesn't? Okay.
Yeah, no, there shouldn't be any sound record.
Torture test. Its welds are standing. Somehow.
Just get a shot under the car.
Holy shit, dude.
I don't know if I want to be under the car.
Dude,
No, from the back of it, you mork.
Look how fucking low that diff is.
That diff is low.
Dude,
I mean, she's there.
let's see. Is it clearing the shackles and all that shit? I can't remember how.
How the fuck are you gonna get an exhauster here?
I can't remember how tilted those control arm shackles were.
Don't worry about it. Don't think about it.
I don't know if there's that much or not.
It's held in by that one.
Why are you guys complaining? It's
Well,
Quattro.
But dude, like, the wheel's fucking clear.
Yeah, it's perfectly center.
Yeah, on both sides.
Well, kind of center.
Mostly center.
I mean,
they're equal on both sides. That's all I
they're-
give a shit about.
we should definitely work on making it go forward a little, but yeah.
Fuck yeah, baby!
Fuck.
Hey, you know, here's something really funny.
What?
So my mom got mad at me a couple nights ago, and guess what she did?
What'd you do?
Well, I got home, she's like, give me the keys to the Audi. So guess what I don't have?
Hey, Will, remember when I said make a copy of the fucking keys a billion times?
Yeah, well, she still has the keys. She'd be a little confused if I rolled up to the house with the fucking Audi. Honestly, I just want to see if this thing rolls.
I'm honestly surprised we haven't, like, hot-wired this thing yet. Hey, you want to move all that stuff from behind?
What? Why?
Because he's going to roll it down these ramps, probably.
Yeah, no, I need to roll it down the ramp to see if it actually even roll.
Oh, I'm forgetting to go backwards. Duh.
Yeah.
You just want to get up there and push?
This is fucking scary.
Well, would you want it any other way?
God, I fucking hate this place. I just want to stop. I just finish my fucking rebuild, sell the RX-7, retire to Hawaii. I don't know, disappear off the face of this fucking planet. I'll go to Columbia. I'll have a nice little house in Columbia, in the mountains, where no one can find me. Not a damn road, no cars. I'm done. But that's my story. Let's see what happens to Will. This is a story of a man named Will Trout. Oh, fuck. Oh, look, it's the permanent parking brake.
Yeah, I don't know how many tracks you need.
Well, the point is that these wheels aren't spinning.
Hey, Will.
So,
I think you might have to take the wheels back off.
Mads, do not push it.
Would you like some support under that car in case it does collapse?
I'm sure you'll be fine.
No, I'm sure it's fine.
Okay. Then I'll stop recording in case it turns into bloodshed.